everyone, welcome back to Drill Coding. This is part 3 of our core Java series, and in this video I'll going to explain why main method looks like this in Java, why we write public static void. So let's get started. First of all, understand this. What is main method? Main method is the starting point of a Java program. When you run a Java program, JVM does not start randomly. It always looking for main method first. And if main method is not present, then the program will not run. So main method tells the JVM where the execution is start. So this is the purpose behind main method. Now let's understand why it's public. JVM is outside your class. To start the program, JVM must call the main method. And if main method is not public, JVM cannot access it. That's why main method must be public so JVM can call it easily. So next is static, and this is very important. Static means no object needed. JVM does not create an object first. It directly calls the main method. If main method was not static, JVM would need an object. But object creation itself needs code execution, and this might create a problem. So static is used to avoid this situation. Now let's talk about void. Void means the method does not return anything. JVM does not expect any value from main method. Program starts from main method and ends there. So returning a value has no meaning. That's why return type is void. Means we don't have to return anything. You might think why only the name is main. So it's because JVM is hard coded to look for this name. But if you change the main method name, program will compile but it will not run. So main method is predefined entry point for JVM. Now the last part. This is used to take command line input. Here string means array of strings. Whatever values you pass while running the program, JVM stores them inside this array. That's why data type is a string array. JVM only accepts main method when public static void and string array are present. If any of these is missing, program will not start. We can write main method like this and like this also. So these are valid main method. Now what happen if main is missing? Program will compile successfully, but at runtime JVM will throw an error saying main method not found. So main method is compulsory. Let's quickly revise. Main method is public, so JVM can access it from anywhere. And because of static, we don't have to create an object to call it. And void means we don't have to return anything. And here main is the name. It's the JVM entry point. Now array of string, it's take command line input. I hope now you understand the purpose behind main method. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep coding.